In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plugs on your Honda CR-V 2.4 liter. They are located on top of the engine. We're going to remove this plastic cover using a 10mm socket. And this one's missing on ours. All right, so now you can take that off, set it aside, and there's your ignition coils. Looks like a 10mm socket. I'll take one of these out. Take out that bolt. After you take the bolt out, you want to lift your coil up, and you have an easier time disconnecting the connector. Now we're going to use a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket, and a long extension, and take our plug out. All right, so now we're going to put our new plug in. I'm going to tighten it by hand first. And we're going to tighten it a little bit, and then we'll torque that. Okay, we're going to torque this spark plug to 13 foot-pounds. Once you do that, you can take that out. All right, and now we can install our coil. Before we do that, all the way down, we're going to put our connector on. Make sure you hear that click. And you're going to press it down, line up the hole for the bolt. All right, so we're going to tighten this down to 100 inch-pounds. It's the same procedure for the rest. All right, so now we're going to put our cap back on, the valve cover. Slide up the holes. And put your 4 nuts back on. We are missing one here. And we're just going to snug those up. It's just a cover, so you don't have to get too crazy. Probably wrist tight is good. And you're good to go. Start her up, take it for a test drive.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.